In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webflow's free plan. Whether you're diving into web design for the first time or you're a seasoned pro looking to try out this tool, Webflow offers a robust free plan to help you get started with building your website. So, let's jump right in. To begin, head over to the Webflow website. Here you can create your free account by simply entering your email address and creating a password. This process is quite straightforward, and once done, it opens up a world of creative possibilities. After logging in, your dashboard is the central hub where you'll manage all your web projects. Now let's move on to creating your very first site. In your dashboard, you'll notice a button labeled New Site. Go ahead and click on this. You're presented with two options to start building. You can either opt for a blank project or choose from a selection of free templates. If you have a particular design in mind and prefer starting from scratch, a blank project might be the best choice. However, if you're looking for some inspiration or want a bit of a head start, select a free template that catches your eye. Choosing a template can save time and help guide your design process. Once you've made your choice, you'll be taken to the designer interface, which is where all the magic happens. This is where you can start building and customizing your website entirely visually without needing to write a single line of code. Begin by adding sections to structure your page. Think of sections as the building blocks of your site. From there, you can fill these sections with elements like text to convey your message, images to create visual appeal, and buttons and forms for user interaction. Webflow's design tools make it easy to customize every detail, from typography settings to color palettes, so your site can match your vision perfectly. As you design, you'll want to periodically test what your site looks like to an end user. By clicking on the preview option, you can see how your content will appear on various devices like desktops and mobile phones. This is an excellent opportunity to ensure your site maintains its aesthetics and functionality across different platforms. When you're satisfied with your design and ready for your site to be seen by the world, it's time to publish it. Click the Publish button, and because you're using Webflow's free plan, you'll publish to a free Webflow.io subdomain. This means your site will have a Webflow.io address, making it accessible to anyone online. And there you go. You've just created and published a website using Webflow's free plan. Remember, Webflow provides plenty of resources if you want to dive deeper into advanced features or integrations. Thanks for watching and happy design.